Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to add Google Maps in Elementor. Are you seeing old versions of your pages after making changes in Elementor? That often happens because of caching. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys the exact steps on how to add Google Maps in Elementor, along with clearing other related caches that might be interfering with your site's display. Here is the step-by-step guide to doing it in Elementor. 1. Adding the Google Maps widget. The easiest way to integrate a map is by using Elementor's dedicated widget. Step 1. Open the Elementor editor. Navigate to the page where you want to add the map. For example, let's say this single page. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the editor. Step 2. Drag the Google Maps widget. In the left-hand Elementor panel, use the search bar to find the Google Maps widget. Drag the Google Maps widget into the desired section of your page layout.
Step 3. Set the location. Once the widget is placed, the Settings panel will automatically open under the Content tab. In the Location field, enter the full address you want to display on the map. For example, 123 Main Street, New York, NY. Elementor will immediately update the map preview to show the entered location. Step 4. Configure map settings. Under the Content tab, you can customize how the map appears. Zoom. Adjust the zoom level using the slider. A higher number means closer detail. Height. Set the height of the map area in pixels to ensure it fits your page design. Part 2. Styling and customization. Elementor allows you to customize the map's visual appearance to match your website's theme. Step 1. Adjust styling. Click the Style tab in the Widget panel. You can adjust basic CSS properties like border type, border radius, and box shadow if desired. Step 2. Use Map API settings if map doesn't display.
In rare cases, if the map does not display, Google may require an API key.
If the map is blank, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Elementor and select Settings.
Click the Integrations tab. Find the Google Maps section.
Note: to get an API key, you need to sign up for Google Cloud Platform and enable the Maps Embed API. If you need a guide on this, let us know in the comments. Part 3. Finalizing and publishing. Step 1. Check responsiveness. Click the responsive mode icon. It looks like a monitor at the bottom of the editor. Switch to the tablet and mobile views to ensure the map displays correctly on smaller screens. Adjust the map height if necessary for mobile viewing. Step 2. Save your changes.
Once satisfied with the map's appearance and placement, click the green Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel.
The Google Map is now live on your WordPress page. That's it. Now please like and subscribe to our channel.